Hi you guys, just a quick vlog. So today is June 11, 2020, and I'm just in my backyard. Today is by far the hottest day of summer so far here in Mesa for me. I just wanted to show you guys the environment of my backyard, how cozy it is to live here in Mesa. My roommate decorated this and it's on every night. And yeah, our house is pretty cozy. I just wanted to update you guys a little bit about how life is in Mesa, Arizona so far. So far, I am loving Arizona. Nothing bad about it. Everything's good here except for that I have not been anywhere much because due to the coronavirus. It's a pandemic, so I didn't do anything much. Like, I got here in January. I officially moved here to Mesa in January, and in February we were already in a pandemic. So I was just settling down, and as soon as I finished settling down, everything's closed. So I have not been anywhere, and I just have been going to school. I got a job right when I got here, so I have just been doing school and work, home, and that's about it. And now, even though like a lot of places are open, I'm not going to it because I feel like I need to save like all the cash that I have for like emergencies. So I have not been anywhere, but as soon as I go somewhere, I will definitely let you guys know and update you guys about my life here in the next few months, because I thought about it. I was like, hey, it's been 6 months. I haven't done any new videos updating you guys about like my life here in Mesa. And a lot of you guys asked because you guys saw my first video that I posted on Facebook about like my roommate and who I live with and stuff like that, and you guys are very interested and you guys wanted to see more, so here it is. I'm just doing a quick vlog today. Sorry, my neighbor's dog is barking. Yeah, but yeah, I love Mesa, Arizona so far. And today, like I said, it's the hottest day of the summer. It's 117, but I feel like it's still not that hot compared to California, compared to Sacramento, because this hot used to have like air, but then like Sacramento, when it's like over 100, you ain't got no air outside. At least like here, I used to get like a little breeze with that 117 degrees. I could be wrong, but today is the hottest day for me so far. I have only been here 6 months, 7 months, because it's July now. But yeah, I'll be updating you guys as soon as I go somewhere else and I explore more of Arizona. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye, you guys. Good night.